Desert Mirage effect in After Effects. Right click, new adjustment layer. Turbulence Displace. Turn the amount down to 34. Size down to about 28. Option click evolution. Time asterisk 500. Duplicate the clip. Draw mask around the subject. Apply a camera lens blur. Increase the blur radius to 25. Invert the mask. Feather the mask to about 700 pixels. Decrease the mask expansion. Apply CC lens. Go to frame 1, move the center of the lens, keyframe the center and the size, increase the size to about 465, go to the last frame, decrease the size so the edges start warping, and then move the lens center to the center of the subject. Apply channel blur, increase the reds to about 100. Add a final adjustment layer with the curves and just do a simple S curve just to bring out those shadows and just make it pop a bit more. Voila.